Hey guys, it's Jay from J&D's Retirement Journey. Hope everyone's doing well. Please hit that subscribe button. My goal is to get to 100 subscribers by the end of the year. And don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks so much. Welcome to the world of stock market investing. I'm going to walk you through the basics of how to start investing in stocks as a beginner. First, you have to know what a stock is. A stock represents ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder and you own a piece of that company. Before you start investing, it is essential to set clear financial goals. Am I saving for retirement, for education? Do I want to buy a home or is it something else? Knowing your goals will help you make informed decisions. Am I saving for the short term, the long term? If it's a short term goal, the stock market probably isn't the right place to put your money. Maybe you want to put it into a savings account, a CD, a money market. If it's long term, over 5 years, then you want to consider the stock market. Now that you decided you want to invest in the stock market, the next thing you should determine is your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with high risk, high reward investments? Or do you prefer a more conservative approach? Your risk tolerance will influence your investment choices. A lot of this depends on your age. If you're young, you could take more risks and invest in riskier items, high growth, high reward investments. But if you're older like myself, I'm closer to retirement, I'm very conservative. I like dividend, quality stocks, and EFTs. But my suggestion is if you're starting out, you should always invest in a good S&P 500 fund. You won't go wrong. Before you invest in a company, research its financial health, its management team, and industry trends. Look at the stock charts and stay informed about the latest news. Consult with a financial advisor. I am not a financial advisor. Before you invest in anything, do your research, guys. You do not want to lose money. You're a long-term investor. Don't get scared if the stock goes down because the stock market has its up and downs. As long as you invest in good quality companies, good quality EFTs, in the long run, you will make money. This is an example of a stock research tool in Charles Schwab. It lets you compare EFTs and stocks. Most brokers have some sort of research tool that you could use to look into your investments. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio by investing in a mix of stocks from different industries to spread the risk. The best way to do this is EFTs. For instance, I love investing in S&P 500 funds. I have a Schwab S&P 500 fund. I have some funds in Fidelity. I also have funds in different sectors like small cap funds. I also have a high dividend yield fund through Schwab SCHD. Guys, do your research, diversify. And most of these funds have 600 companies. So you're buying a ton of companies and you don't have to worry about one stock going down. Right now, at the point in my life, I need income. So I'm concentrating on dividend investing about for the last 10 years, I would say. But before that, I was a gambler, which is not good. If I would have started investing just in S&P 500 index funds, I probably would be retired. So my suggestion is if you guys are starting out and don't know much about stocks, find a good S&P 500 fund. I'm going to leave a link to a video I did on the Schwab S&P 500 fund and also a link to my monthly dividend recap. You guys could see what paid me dividends for the last few months. If you go into the playlist, you could go back almost a year. You could basically see what I'm invested in. Now you want to buy a stock. Open an account with an online brokerage. They make it easy to buy and sell stocks. Research the stock you want to buy and place an order. I use Charles Schwab, but like I said, there's many online brokers you could use. Remember, you have to figure out what type of account am I opening up. Is it for, depending on what your goals are. If it's a retirement account, I would suggest a a Roth IRA. You put the money in after tax, it grows tax free, and when you withdraw it after retirement, you pay no taxes. So that's my favorite. And there's also a taxable account, because with an IRA and a Roth IRA, you have just limits on how much you can invest. You could invest 7,500 if you're over 50 a year, and 6,500 if you're under 50. So if you want to invest more money than 6,500 or 7,500, you have to open up a taxable account. Remember, investing in stock is a long-term game. Stock prices can be volatile in the short term, but historically, the stock market has shown steady growth over the long term. Be patient and avoid making impulsive decisions. That's how you guys lose money. Keep an eye on your investments. Regularly review your portfolio and, if necessary, make adjustments to align with your goals and risk tolerance. Remember, guys, talk with a financial planner and do your research before you invest in any type of security. And good luck. And if you like this video, remember to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification and that like. Hit that thumbs up, guys. I really appreciate it. It really helps out the channel. And again, congratulations. You've taken the first step towards becoming a stock market investor. Remember, it's essential to continue learning and adapt your strategy as you gain more experience.